Hi, everybody. Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg.
Captain Keith over here in Clearwater.
And we want to thank each and every one of you for joining us for this wild roller coaster of a ride. 2020 truly is one for the books, but what a better year to start our Boating Tips Live podcast. And we've had a lot of fun. We want to thank you guys for joining us every single week. Love the questions, love the engagement, and stand by for much, much bigger things to come in 2021. What do you say, Keith?
Absolutely, Nick. 2020, the crazy year, but what a year for boating. It was phenomenal. I mean, everything was off the hook. Luckily, we got people out on the water. 2021 coming up, new innovations, new technology. We'll see what happens.
Stay tuned for Boating Tips Live in 2021, 2022, 2023, and then some. I don't care. We're not going anywhere, and we look forward to having each and every one of you with us for each step along the way.